The Avanti J26S series includes complete biosafety systems featuring 3 levels of biosafety covering the instrument, the rotors, and the labware. Both the J26S XP and XPI can be installed with a unique sterile filtration system which prevents infectious agents from reaching your lab environment. We also feature Beckman Coulter's Dynamic Rotor Inertia Check. This ensures that no rotor can run outside of its rated speed and allows the rotor to run at maximum speeds without shutting down your system. Our unique field rotor inspection program protects your investment by providing periodic on-site inspections to assess rotor safety and track repair data, ensuring the full useful lifetime of your rotors. Finally, disposable harvest line system liners reduce contact with finished samples and eliminate the need to scrape materials from your labware, minimizing your exposure to potential hazards and reducing time required to clean your labware. All of these systems are intended to provide confidence in your instrument and peace of mind for you. But when maintenance is needed, you can trust in Beckman Coulter's excellent service professionals. For more than 75 years, our certified field service organization and knowledgeable customer service teams have helped our customers get the most from their systems, from installation and training to post-sales hardware, software, and application support.